Which fruit holds the title of being the most purchased worldwide? Banana, apple, mango, orange. The correct answer is banana. A person with heterochromia has what unusual feature? Different hair textures, different eye colors, different blood types, different fingerprints. The correct answer is different eye colors. Norway is known for its fjords, Vikings, and stunning northern lights. What is its capital city? Oslo, Copenhagen, Prague, Vienna. The correct answer is Oslo. Goulash, a paprika-seasoned stew, is a national dish of which European country? Poland, Austria, Hungary, Czechia. The correct answer is Hungary. Which of these seafood creatures belongs to a group of animals called decapods, meaning 10-footed? Crab, shrimp, lobster, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. What is the name of the German herbal liqueur made with 56 botanicals? Schnapps, Jägermeister, Kirschwasser, Underberg. The correct answer is Jägermeister. In which part of the body would you find the intercostal muscles? Legs, arms, ribs, neck. The correct answer is ribs. Which famous children's story by J.R.R. Tolkien carries the subtitle There and Back Again? The Silmarillion, The Hobbit, The Lord of the Rings, The Fellowship of the Ring. The correct answer is The Hobbit. Which muscle in the human body is totally unique because it is the only one attached at just one end? The heart, the bicep, the diaphragm, the tongue. The correct answer is the tongue. When the weather report talks about how much invisible moisture or water vapor is hanging in the air, what term do they use? Precipitation, barometric pressure, humidity, dew point. The correct answer is humidity. What is the main job of red blood cells in the body? Fighting infection, clotting blood, carrying oxygen, digesting nutrients. The correct answer is carrying oxygen. Which antiseptic liquid is commonly recognized by its bubbling action when applied to minor cuts and scrapes? Acetone, alcohol, hydrogen peroxide, iodine. The correct answer is hydrogen peroxide. Which organ works like the body's thermostat, regulating temperature? Heart, hypothalamus, liver, pituitary gland. The correct answer is hypothalamus. Blood drains from the liver into the inferior vena cava through which veins? Portal veins, renal veins, hepatic veins, jugular veins. The correct answer is hepatic veins. Gouda cheese, known for its creamy texture and mild flavor, comes from which country? Switzerland, France, Netherlands, Denmark. The correct answer is Netherlands.